Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Galaxy AI writing help on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you're struggling to find the right words, Galaxy AI in One UI 8 introduces a built-in sentence helper. So if you're typing inside apps, the AI can suggest better wording, correct tone, or even restructure your sentence so it flows more naturally. So it's designed to help with everything from casual text to professional emails. So here's an example. I want to go ahead and invite someone to dinner. So I'll just write down, invite you to dinner. Now, as you can see, if English isn't your first language and you're not good at English, you're writing something similar to this, invite you to dinner at 7 p.m. So this sounds very informal. And if you want better wording with correct tone and a good structure on the sentence, you can use the Galaxy AI. So here you can go ahead and tap on this button here, the Galaxy AI button. And here you can go ahead and tap on writing style. Now this will basically go through your sentence and will create you a new sentence. So here with a polite version, I would like to extend an invitation to a dinner at 7 p.m. this evening. Or if you want some emojifies, so if you want some emojis in it, invite you to dinner at 7 p.m. Dinner tonight at 7, casual, and you're a professional. So you can go ahead and choose anything you like from here. I'll go ahead and choose the professional one. I would like to extend an invitation to dinner at 7 p.m. today. Now, if you have some spelling mistake as well, this can also correct it. So let's just say, for example, information. I'll go ahead and spell this wrong. Now, I can go ahead and use Galaxy AI to correct this as well. So spelling and grammar. And now, as you can see, it's found it. So I want to go ahead and replace it. So it's corrected my word information. So this tool is a lifesaver if English isn't your first language, or if you just want to sound more polished. So imagine being able to write a confident work email, a thoughtful message, or even a social media post without second guessing yourself. So it saves time, reduces stress, helps you communicate more clearly and effectively. So basically you're turning your phone into a smart writing assistant. So there you go guys, that's how to use Galaxy AI for writing help on your Samsung Galaxy device.